When we look at world economy, it's currently only 7% circular. So what that tells us is we have a model, we extract resources, we use it, and then we discard it. And that's not sustainable. In fact, we cannot address the global challenge of climate change without addressing the lack of circularity. And when we look at aluminum, it is really an exception. It is estimated 75% of the aluminum ever produced is still in use. So when you have a world economy which is only 7% circular and 75% of aluminum which is still in circulation or in use, that's a tremendous value of using aluminum. It is estimated more than 90% of the aluminum and steel and metal at the end of the life get reused. There is good value associated with the reuse of metal from the end of the life from the building. It is important to add low-carbon aluminum into the project and product specification. You can download one-pager from our website which guides you on the language around the low-carbon aluminum billet to add into the project specification.